Alright, good day students. As you can see, what we have today is simplification of radical expression. We have the cube root of 36 multiplied by the cube root of 9 divided by the cube root of 4. So you are required to simplify this algebraic or radical expression. So the first thing you usually do is to look at the expression and see if there is any way you can simplify the radical with a major radical, so that you can splint it using the properties of radical radical exponent we have treated. So to do that, we have here the cube root of 36, and we can simplify it. So from here this is the same as the cube root of 4 multiplied by 9 times the cube root of what? 9, all divided by the cube root of 4. So using the product rule, so from here we can split it into 2. We have 4 times 4, and then we have 9 multiplied by the 4th root of 9, all divided by what? The 4th root of 4. So from here we now see it very clear that they can cancel out, the fraction can cancel out. So from this expression we can now cancel 4 here. They are the same. When they are the same, you cancel it out. So from here we now have the cube root of 9 multiplied by cube root of 9. So let's proceed. So we have, mind you should know recall. Let me use recall. This is recall. Recall that the 4th root of 9 is the same as the 40th root of 9 is the same as 3 raised to power 2. Is it not? Is equals to 3 raised to power 2. So that we can substitute it here and still apply the product rule. So from here we have, now we have the 4th root of 3 raised to power 2 times the 4th root of 3 raised to power 2. So from here we now apply the product rule to give us 3 raised to power 2 times 3 raised to power 2, because we are still simplification of radical. So, and from here we have the 40th root of 3. We have treated indices or exponent. We have treated exponent expression. So here they have equal base. Since they have equal base, what is the next to do? To add their power. So 2 plus 2 will give us 4. So are you following? So finally, once you arrive here, you can now simplify it, either knowing that the index of the radical will clear the exponent of the radical. The index of the radical will clear what? Or will cancel the exponent of the what? The radical, since they are equal. Or you can convert it to exponent form to see it clearly. So this is the same as 3 raised to power 4 in bracket 1 over 4. So from here, if you open bracket, you have 4 times 1 over 4. So this can cancel out because 4 times 1 over 4 is equals to 1. So in this case, we have 3 raised to power 1. And any number raised to power 1 is the same number. So the simplification give us what? 3. So this is what we are required to solve. So what is our answer? The simplification give us 3. So that is what we are required to solve. Let's look at second example of simplification of radical exponent. So the second example, for example, you are given the cube root of 4 multiplied the cube root of 12 divided by the 80th root of 3 multiplied by the 80th root of 3. So how do you simplify this radical expression? So you know what is expression and what is equation. Expression is just maybe product of terms, or algebraic terms, or radical terms. It could be also subtraction, addition, or division. But equation has always equal sign here. Maybe it is equated to 1 or something like that. You can say that is a radical equation. But in this case, it is just a radical expression. So from here, we can simplify. We can solve it. So we know that. Okay, let's go into it. So this will give us what? You can still apply product rule. We have the 40th root of 4 multiplied to the 40th root, multiplied to what? 40th root of multiplied to the 40th root of 4 times 3. 4 times 3. Always look at the radical with the major radical and split it into product so that you can see it very clear which tend to be cancelled out and the other tend to simplify. So from here we have, if you look at the denominator, they have the same terms, so we can multiply them. We have 80th root of 3 squared, so because they are the same. So from here we can now, from here we know that, recall, I hope you are following, recall that the 80th root of 3 squared is the same as 3 squared times 1 over 8, that is 3 raised to the power 2, 3 raised to the power 2 times 1 over 8, so that this can 8 divided by 2 will give us what? 3 raised to the power 1 over 4. And this is the same as if you put it in the radical form. So we bring it here, we can replace the 80th root of 3 squared with the 40th root of 3. So from here we have the 40th root of 4 times the 40th root of 4, split it using the product rule of radical. So the 40th root of 3 all divided by the 40th root of 3, so that they can cancel out to give us what? To give us the product of the two. And the product of the two is the same as, this is the same as 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 2 multiplied to 2 raised to power 2. So from here we have the 40th root of 2 raised to power 4. So when they are equal, they cancel out to give us. You can still put it in exponent form to see it very clear. Put it in exponent form. So this can cancel out. 4 times 1 over 4 is equals to 1. So we have 2. Because any number raised to power 1 is the same number. So this is where we stop. If you have any question, please endeavor to ask. Please look at our website, go there and download our latest book. Possible, subscribe for monthly edition at a token price. Also, before you go, please endeavor to click the subscription button for more, to encourage me for more videos for your view. See you in the next video. Bye for now.